大家好，我是 Michael No Limits Lee。今天的影片我想了解一下就是两个 recipe. So nutrition, it's a very heated, debated topic, but these are two extremely basic recipes that you can use in your daily diet to optimize blood flow. Now, even if you don't care about blood flow, whether you want to build muscle, if you want to lose weight, if you want a six-pack, these two recipes are going to help you with whatever your goals are. So the first one is the most basic. It doesn't even require any refrigeration or any stove. So all it is three simple ingredients. So the first ingredient is a mashed banana, and you don't have to use banana if you don't like it. In the past, I've also used strawberries, I've used blackberries, blueberries, raspberries, but choose whichever fruit you like as the base. And then what I did was I smashed it with a spork, my titanium spork. And then what I did was I added the second ingredient, which is protein powder. It doesn't matter whatever protein powder you like, but just adding some protein to it. And then the third and final ingredient is cinnamon. So it's just three basic ingredients that takes literally just a minute to make. It's extremely easy and nutritious. The second dish is also very simple. So the base is just eggs. So I'll show some B-roll of me cooking it in the kitchen, but basically I started with some garlic. I smashed that, I chopped it up, and I put it on the stovetop, and then I added eggs, whole eggs, and then I added tomatoes as well. And I added some green onions, but that's optional. And the final ingredient is chili peppers. So last week's video was more about training, more Western philosophies around training, and a little bit more philosophical around the concept of blood flow. Today's channel is more about nutrition, so it's energy intake, balancing out with the energy output of traditional training videos. And next week's video is going to be more of an Eastern philosophy take on blood flow. So if you have any suggestions for what type of content you'd like, if you're curious about blood flow, you want to learn more, please leave a comment below.
Hi.
Thanks for watching, and please click subscribe and like if you enjoyed the video. Thank you.